Hello everyone, welcome back to SKWorld. Today in this tutorial, we are going to talk about the concept of object repositories. An object repository is a centralized location where you can store objects, information used in your test scripts. This includes web elements like buttons, text boxes, links. By using an object repository, you can manage your test objects efficiently and make your test scripts more maintainable and scalable. So let's begin. Add new file, right click on src test java and new, and then click on file. Enter the file name object.properties and then click on finish. In this file, we will enter the ID and XPath and then read this file. Initialize the WebDriver here, public WebDriver and static. Add annotation and add method public void login. Inside this test, we will enter the username, password. First, initialize the browser here. Driver is equal to new Chrome driver, and then navigate to the URL login page. Driver dot get string, enter URL here. Next, maximize the window. Driver dot manage dot window dot maximize. Now create a new property object to handle key value pairs from a configuration file. Properties and enter variable name pr is equal to new properties. Next, declare a file reader variable to read from a file. Initially set to null. File reader and variable name is reader is equal to null. Next, we will initialize the file reader to read the file. Reader is equal to new file reader. Inside this round brackets, enter the complete path of this file. Right click on object.properties and then click on properties. Copy this complete path and paste inside this round bracket. Click on add declaration. Next, load this file pr, which is variable name dot load, and variable name is reader. Click on add through declaration. Next, we will find the username from this input field by ID. Right click on username, and here both available, name also available, and ID. Copy this ID and open the properties file demo.login dot id and equal, enter here id. For password, right click on this password field and copy this id. Demo dot login dot password is equal to password. After enter the username and password, then we need to click on this submit button. Right click on this submit, and here id is available, which is submit. Copy this id and enter id here for login button. Dot button is equal to submit. Next, we will enter the values here by using dot get property driver dot find element. Here we look at the element by id, so we will enter here by dot id and pr, which is variable name. Here we load the file pr dot get property, because we will read the data from this property file. Enter the name, which is demo dot login dot id. Copy this id and paste here. After locating the element, we need to enter some value in the username field dot send case, and the username here is available, which is student. Same for password and for submit button. Driver dot find element by dot id pr dot get property. For password, demo dot login dot password. Copy and paste here, and then we need to enter the password in password field dot send keys. Password here is password 123. Copy this password and enter here. Next, we need to click on this submit button after enter the username and password, and then click on this submit button. Copy this and paste here. For submit button, copy this demo dot login dot button and paste here. Here you need to click on this submit button, so we will use dot click. Let's run this script and see what happened. Right click, run as, and test ng test. Chrome driver is opening. First it will navigate to this URL and enter the username and password, and then click on submit button. Chrome driver is opening and navigate to this URL, maximize the window, enter username and password, and then click on submit button. Login successfully. If you like this content, please subscribe to SQL World. Thanks for watching.